The RockSat-X team that we have here on campus is focusing on creating some experiments that we're going to put up on a rocket to do some research with deorbiting small space debris.
You have this cascading effect of debris where one explosion or one collision creates a bunch of debris, which then those pieces of debris create more collisions and more collisions. The worst case scenario is that this could block out the skies for launching for decades.
There's thousands and thousands of pieces up there. They're traveling thousands of miles an hour. Even small bits of like paint chips, when they impact things like the space shuttle, can do pretty significant damage. Space debris research that's out there is really focusing on big stuff, so we're really focusing on something that not a lot of other people are working on right now. The actual thing that we'll send into space, it's what they're calling a payload deck. It's a circular bit of machinery about this big. So there's all kinds of electrical systems, computing systems, and mechanical systems that are up there doing research on this rocket.
I think Mines is a really unique place to bring the RockSat-X project. This project is open to the school, so we have students that aren't seniors that work on it. You get really, really great results when you combine all of these different ideas, skill sets, majors.
It's really exciting for Mines to have this project because this is the first time that Mines students have actually created something that was sent into space.
It still blows my mind that I sent something to space as an undergrad or even just as a person. It's a really unique experience. I don't know how to quite put it into words.